As LTC rebounds on Wednesday, XRP remained close to a 4-month high on Wednesday, following a recent breakout of a key resistance level. The token was above $0.4000 for a second consecutive session, which happened for the first time since June. Litecoin also edged higher, after prices rebounded following recent losses. XRP continued to trade close to a 4-month high on Wednesday, as bullish sentiment remained strong within the token. Following a low of $0.3774 earlier in today's session, XRP/USD raced to a peak of $0.4215 on Hump Day. The move comes after the token broke out of its key price ceiling of $0.4000 on Tuesday, hitting its highest point since June 1 in the process. Although prices have since declined, and as of writing are trading at $0.4044, many still believe that further rallies could come. Some believe that bulls are targeting the $0.4500 point, which appears to be the longer-term resistance point in XRP. However, with the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, tracking at 62.45, prices may currently be overbought, leading to an influx of bears, opposed to bulls. Although prices have since declined, and as of writing are trading at $0.4044, many still believe that further rallies could come. Litecoin, LTC, was also in the green in today's session, and prices rebounded following recent losses. Following a drop to a 2-month low of $50.01 to start the week, LTC/USD rose to an intraday peak of $54.17 on Wednesday. Historically, once above the aforementioned floor, bulls typically take prices towards a ceiling of $60. In order for this to happen on this occasion, we will need to see LTC climb above another ceiling, this time within the RSI. As of writing, the index is tracking at 43.18. However, it is fast approaching a resistance of 44.20, which would need to be overcome.
Chinese currency breaches 7-to-1 exchange rate against US dollar for first time in 2 years. The offshore exchange rate of China's fiat currency versus the US dollar recently breached the 7-to-1 mark for the first time in over 2 years, after it touched a new 2022 low of 7.0188 yuan for every dollar on September 15. Similar to other global currencies that have depreciated in 2022, the the offshore exchange rate of the Chinese currency versus the US dollar breached the 7 RMB per every dollar mark after it traded at 7.0188 on September 15, 2022. This is the first time in over 2 years that the exchange rate of the two currencies has gone past this threshold. However, on the same day, the yuan onshore exchange rate had not breached the 7-to-1 threshold. According to a report in the Economic Times, the yuan's depreciation against the greenback comes against the backdrop of a strengthening dollar. The currency's decline also came amidst growing fears that the Chinese economy may be slowing down. However, as per the report, the Chinese central bank's attempts to assist the economy via an interest rate cut in August helped to spark a 3% depreciation of the yuan. Remarking on the dilemma that the People's Bank of China, PBOC, now faces, Ken Chung, chief Asian FX strategist at Mizuho Bank, said decline is being driven by the strengthening of the US dollar. Chung is also quoted in another report stating that he now believes that the PBOC is no longer interested in stopping the currency from breaching 7 yuan for every dollar, but will attempt to delay and smooth out the yuan depreciation pace. The Economic Daily report notes that the yuan is not the only currency struggling with a stronger dollar. According to the report, authorities in Japan are also wary of the strengthening dollar, which has seen the exchange rate between the currencies move from 115 to 1 on January 2, 2022, to over 143 to 1 by September 20, 2022. Just like yen, European Union's single currency, the euro, began the year trading around 88 euro cents for every dollar, but by August 21, 2022, it reached parity with the greenback. With the exception of a few currencies like the Zambian kwacha and the Russian ruble, Many other currencies have struggled against the dollar. Some economists believe the U.S. Federal Reserve's attempts to bring down the United States inflation rate via regular marginal increases in interest rates could be one of the reasons why the dollar has gained against other currencies.
Avalanche, Boba of XL2 to provide faster transactions and lower fees on Wednesday. The Layer 2 scaling solution that leverages optimistic rollup technology, Boba Network has revealed it now supports the proof-of-stake (POS) network Avalanche. According to the Boba Network team, the new Avalanche support will produce faster transactions and lower fees. Boba Network integrates with the Avalanche POS blockchain. Boba Network, the Layer 2, L2, scaling project introduced Boba of XL2 on Wednesday via the team's Twitter account. "We're over the slopes to announce our partnership as an official scaling solution for Avalanche," Boba said. Avalanche offers blazing fast speeds, low costs, and eco-friendly solutions. Boba of XL2 holds true to those values and enhances it further. Boba is already connected with the Ethereum, ETH, network, and at the time of writing, L2 fees.info stats show Boba's fee to move Ether today is 17 cents, and to swap tokens the estimated price is 30 cents. That is cheaper than the current 34 GY, 96 cents, to send Ether on-chain, according to Etherscan.io's gas tracking tool. A high-priority decentralized exchange, DEX, swap can cost $8.47 per transaction on-chain, so Boba's 30 cents cost to swap is 96.45% cheaper. Faster transactions, lower fees. Boba of XL2 is catered for all heavy transactions, throughput-reliant protocols, and anyone wanting to be part of the next generation, Boba further declared on Wednesday. The team further explained it is joining partner decentralized applications, dApps, like SushiSwap and Etherverses with the new support. Boba added, L2 projects like Boba Network have been partnering with a great deal of industry heavyweights and blockchain networks in recent times. OpenSea recently detailed the leading NFT marketplace has added Arbitrum support, and the NFT market competitor Rarible revealed Immutable X support. Arbitrum, Immutable X, and Boba Network are all L2 projects, and other competitors include Loopring, Xing, Optimism, Metis, Polygon Hermits, and
heavyweight Nomura to launch crypto-focused venture capital arm on Wednesday. The Japanese financial holding company and principal member of the Nomura Group, Nomura Holdings, announced the launch of a crypto-focused venture capital unit called Laser Digital Holdings. Nomura's move follows a number of financial giants entering the cryptocurrency industry this year. The investment banking giant from Japan, Nomura Holdings, is stepping into the world of crypto assets, and in the coming months the new venture will reveal a slew of new services and product lines. Nomura is one of the largest investment banks in Japan and one of the oldest in the country. The investment company established itself 97 years ago in Osaka in 1925 as Nomura Securities. The new Laser Digital Holdings is a Switzerland-incorporated holding company that aims to establish 3 vertical product offerings including secondary trading, venture capital, and investor products. The new venture will be led by Jez Mohideen as CEO and Stephen Ashley as Laser Digital's chairman. Switzerland was chosen for the country's established and robust regulatory regime, Nomura's press release discloses. Staying at the forefront of digital innovation is a key priority for Nomura, the investment bank's president and CEO Kentaro Okuda remarked on Wednesday. This is why, alongside our efforts to diversify our business, we announced earlier this year that Nomura would be setting up a new subsidiary focused on digital assets. Nomura's latest offering follows Nasdaq's new crypto custody venture announced on Tuesday. Furthermore, before Nomura and Nasdaq's announcements, Fidelity Digital Assets, Citadel Securities, and Charles Schwab Corporation announced a collaborative effort with plans to launch a crypto exchange that will deal with both retail and institutional clients. The 3 financial companies are calling the exchange EDX Markets, EDXM, and former Citadel Securities executive Jamil Nazar Ali was named the trading platform's CEO. The Japanese financial giant Nomura detailed on Wednesday that the first product Laser Digital plans to drop is a venture capital (VC) unit called Laser Venture Capital. The new unit will invest in companies in the digital ecosystem, with a focus on decentralized finance, DeFi, centralized finance, SFI, Web3, and blockchain infrastructure, Nomura's press announcement concludes.